Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Loppi at Lawson. First, find the distinctive red Loppi machine, typically near the entrance of any Lawson store. These self-service kiosks offer a wide range of services, from purchasing event tickets to paying bills. Once you've found it, simply touch the screen to begin your transaction and select the service you need from the main menu. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, guiding you through each step. After selecting your service, the Loppi machine will prompt you to enter specific information. This might include a reservation number, a phone number, or other personal details relevant to your transaction. Use the on-screen keyboard to carefully input this data. It's crucial to double-check everything for accuracy before proceeding, as errors can prevent your transaction from completing successfully. Once confirmed, the machine will often display a confirmation number. Once you have entered all the necessary information and confirmed your selection, the Loppi machine will print a small voucher or receipt. This paper slip is essential for completing your transaction. Carefully retrieve the printed voucher from the machine's output slot. Do not discard it, as it contains a barcode and other vital details. You will need to take this voucher directly to the Lawson store counter within 30 minutes of printing. At the store counter, hand your Loppi voucher to the cashier. They will scan the barcode on the slip to process your request. You will then be asked to pay the required amount. Lawson stores typically accept cash, and many also accept various credit and debit cards. After payment, the cashier will provide you with your final tickets, goods, or a payment confirmation receipt, completing your Loppi transaction. It's a straightforward process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.